Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over a cryptocurrency market and first go over here Kaspa. Looks like Kaspa might make that run up to 0.007, guys. So it's got those targets there, 0.05, 0.06, and then 0.007. So looks like enough people aped into it to keep pushing it up. Maybe another 50%. So for those who got it down here and you're up here, congratulations. That's a massive move when you're supposed to get it. Just from there. 15, 16x if it hits that number. So evidence, live video evidence that I got that on this channel. So I got it on evidence, not just slamming it and coming up with some pipe dreams on Twitter. So there you go with that. Now, how you want to exit that? I mean, I'll just leave that up to you. So, NakamotoGames, guys, same thing. With NakamotoGames, you might get a push to the 60 cents. I already exited out over here, so I don't want to sit in this spot and go, is it going to go up there? Type deal. I would say if it was me, guys, this is my own personal deal. I would have a limit order at 63.8, 64 cents, 62, maybe something like that, because it could sneak up there and you could miss it. Kind of like what Gala did yesterday. It snuck way up there. Okay, guys. So boom. So that's what I would do with NakamotoGames. All right. Let's see. Just going over here, Solana. This wave over here on Solana, guys, just to let you know, I'll go over Solana real brief. This wave over here, everybody's bullish on. This is the bullish Solana wave. It's starting to look like this wave on Solana was a three-way move, guys. It's not looking too promising for Solana, okay? So, just saying. All right. Do have fib targets on Solana for the 12-hour chart. 25, 26, and 27. So might make a run up there, guys, on Solana. So let's go to Bitcoin now. All right. See what Bitcoin has going on. It's normal. Nothing's changed on Bitcoin, has it? 12-hour chart. Nothing's changed on Bitcoin, guys. I'm still expecting Bitcoin to maybe trend up. Could be wrong, but more than likely, just looking at this chart, it's got upper fib targets too up there now, 30,000, 30,700, 31,000. Still fib targets here and here, means more likely sideways action. Remains to be seen what Bitcoin's going to be doing here, guys. But I think it's going to be more to the downside than anything, especially how close it is to these moving averages. Okay. I know some people are thinking it's going to run out of there. But it just seems like the probabilities is going to drop. At least it wants to drop some. You want to see it get kind of a little bit more distance from the moving averages right there, guys. Kind of like down here, how it gets away from those moving averages. So definitely right on top of this 200 period moving average, 28,468 on this 12-hour chart, guys. So that's how I look at it with Bitcoin. I would start paying attention like right around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock when the UK markets open for those markets, guys, and you might get some more volatility. In the meantime, I try to stay away from trades, especially on Bitcoin right now on the weekend, guys. It's a colossal waste of time because you don't do anything. So that's how I see it. I have a live stream at 10 a.m., so 2 hours from now. You guys want to come check that out? Some people asking me about going into more details on the future of Bitcoin. I will do a little bit of that on Bitcoin. Okay. And go over some other coins too. Guys. Okay. Could be some opportunities coming up, like in Harmony One here. Harmony One. I'm gonna go a little bit details on that one, guys. But this is an 18-hour chart. We take a look at Harmony One on a daily chart and see what we got. Yeah, so here's 200 simple moving average. It's below it. Come back down. It looks like it's going to make a run for it over here. Test it and then roll back over, guys. That's what's going to happen to Harmony One. I'm not too enthused with this coin. Fundamentally wise, they got some issues, I think, some things going on, but I don't see this doing anything. And I don't see Harmony One doing much of anything for a while, guys. Okay. This Harmony One is one of these coins, in my opinion, that it just needs the euphoria to come back and everything. Now it could do some pumps out of there. Obviously, it could do a pump there like that, and maybe do a pump. So you might be able to get into one of these, like that, guys. That's a potential, but it doesn't look too promising. But it does look like maybe something coming up here. Just give you guys an idea, like let's say here on Harmony One, this is a 12-hour chart. You got a fair value gap there at 0.014, 200 MA. Hasn't busted above it since April. Let me take a look at 12-hour chart here. Probably wishful thinking, but to see it get up to maybe 12 cents, maybe 12 and a half cents, not 12 and a half cents, 0.012 cents. And in this area, potentially a run up here to here and then back down here. It's probably going to run up to here, potentially, maybe get past F40. Depends on how bullish it is, or, this way, going this way. It looks like it's pretty weak. It might bust above the 40 in that area. I'd see that. And then boom, it's probably going to come down and touch this gap. So it's up above these gaps. There's probably a gap somewhere in here in one of these hour times, I would think. Maybe not. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, there's one right there. It could make a run for that one. All right. I would think that fair value gap, this area. So 0.012, 0.012, 14, 15, something like that. And then there's a gap. Let me check the daily. There's a gap all the way down here, projecting down there. So you might have a good shot of this going back down to 0.0009, potentially, guys. Or a move like that. So is what I would be checking out for Harmony One. Just go over it real brief. So Bitcoin, nothing exciting, guys. Like I said before, it's going to be paint dry for a little while. No setup, nothing. It's like Bitcoin's in a no trade zone, man. You don't even, I wouldn't even do anything with it quite yet. All right. So, all right, guys. So, sorry about the excitement. I'll be on live stream, man. It'll be a little bit better, for that. NakamotoGames, your NakamotoGames, and Kaspa coin. Just keep your eye on it. You'll get clear reversal signals on those coins, guys. Okay. So maybe Kaspa can keep going up if Bitcoin finally finishes its correction. It starts going up a little bit. All Bitcoin would need to do is just make a meager run, get something behind it, but maybe Kaspa doesn't need it and just keep on going, right, guys? So it could do that. Ethereum, man, guys. I would investigate Ethereum a little bit more, not only on the charts, but also the fundamentals of Ethereum. Not the fundamentals, but just what's going on with the coin, guys. That's just my recommendation. Just do a little research into that for Ethereum. Okay. So that is the end of my video. Unibot. See here with Unibot. Oh, look at that. Higher end fib targets came on Unibot. Back up there to 280 bucks. You guys going to take the chance? Look at that. But there's low ones down there too, guys. Going to zero. Going to zero. So that's the risk that you play. Let's see. We got Unibot here, guys. Check it out. Unibot. It's in an uptrend right now. It's above that 200. 160, looks like 160, 175 potential target. So just be careful. Some of this stuff right now, guys, you know, what's been the pattern? A lot of these things. Mega run. Maybe another test. And then probably at least something probably in that area, I would think. No money. No new money coming in to do it, guys, you know. So that's the issue with the Unibot. And check the stats. There's no new money. There's no new money coming into crypto, guys. So down here, they run it. And then now, you know, where are you going to get the liquidity to keep pushing this thing going up? Right? So that's the issue that I see. But, you know, maybe they're playing the game and see, you never know, guys. You never know. To me, it's like it's when you have a scenario like that in crypto, it's a risk. XDC. I made a video on XDC, right? Made a point of a limit order at 0.001, guys. Okay. This is it's bullish. Okay. Let me put on logarithmic, see what we got going on here. Ooh, let's see here. Have that. Might want to have limit orders at 0.11 or 11 cents and 0.12 cents. Okay, just for a spike up to those areas. And if you want to have your Hail Mary orders right up there, probably a 0.014 and up those areas, guys. But it might be a stretch on that one. It might be a stretch on XDC, guys. Okay. Let me take a look at the longer time frames here. Looks like it's going into a bounce. It's definitely a bounce, guys. It's probably a bounce. Okay. So I think you got one more shot. You have one more shot and then back over here and then another shot. So how long did this take? December 22. And it's sideways and then a shot in April, sideways for a little while, a shot now, right? And then sideways potentially in October and then another shot over here. So you got another shot over here. But you want to be careful over here, guys, on XDC because this shot might be a lower high, right? So it might be a lower high and then it comes down. That's how I'm looking at it with XDC. A lot of talk on that about Twitter, guys. Let me take the stuff off and just look at the pattern. So see, this is a concern here too. Is that a 5-wave move? Could be. Could be. And is this 3-wave? You know, is a 3-wave move here? So 3-wave comes back down, lower high, right? And then back down. Or is it starting a bullish trend and 3-wave move and then back over here, probably in 2024, and then it's going on to a run. Don't know yet, guys. Just don't know yet with it. What I would do, let me check the let me check this RSI stochastic, see what we got here, guys. Get an idea on 2-day chart. Okay, let's see. Let me check weekly. Pretty strong, pretty strong. Let's see, back up. That's the pattern that it goes on, isn't it? Yeah, that's the pattern that it does. I bet you're going to get a lower high on the next run, guys. So what you're going to get here, back up, and then it's going to come back down, lower high. It's going to be in a correction for a period of time. So this is probably your top, in my opinion, with XDC. It's divergence. Yeah, you got another run more than likely out of it, I would say. You got another hit to the top. 10 cents or is that 10? What is that? Yeah, 0.0. 10 cents. Yeah, that's 10 cents because that's 7 cents. That's 7 cents. So it looks like you got another shot of it. 10 cents, 11 cents, 12 cents. Hail Mary order. You know, maybe people are going to ape into it right now. Possibly. They might jump into it and you might get a shot to 14 cents. Okay. That's how I check it out. All right, guys. That's the end of my video. Made all the way to the end. Do me a huge favor. Drop a like. Hit that subscribe button. Peace.